What is a successful project? Do you think it is related to the triple constraint, also called iron triangle? The triple constraint is the scope, the time, and the cost. And you are successful when what you do corresponds to what you initially planned in your project. A lot of people apply the triple constraint when they monitor and control the project. When you apply the unvalue technique, you use the scope, time, and cost in order to evaluate if your project is late or in advance. A lot of researchers apply the triple constraint as well in order to evaluate if a project is a success or a failure. The Standish group, in its Kairos report, when they evaluate IT projects, uses the triple constraint as well. A failure would be when you what you do does not correspond to what you planned. So do you think it is the right criteria to evaluate your project? Well, consider this. What if your client changed their requirements? It happens all the time. What if the market conditions changes? Or if your suppliers go bankrupt? This is a change in your plan. So, should automatically changes lead to failure? Of course not. Which project is a success? The one who has been completed on time, in budget, and in specification, but when you don't use the result in operations, or the one that exceeded twice the budget and took twice the time, but the output generated 10 times the cash flow expected initially by the sponsor? When you apply the triple constraint, you basically ignore business criteria. Who cares about being on time in budget and specification if they lose money in their project? Do you care if you're late as long as you earn money with your project? Project success should be related to your business. So here are a few advice given by PM Skills. Ignore the triple constraint when you assess your project. Instead, use net present value, cash flows, customer satisfactions, employees' loyalty, carbon footprint, or other business criteria. State clearly the business criteria in the project charter, in the beginning of the project, of course. Then monitor and control your project to these business criteria. If necessary, group projects into programs and portfolios. It will make it easier to evaluate the value delivered.